Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today we're going to go to Walmart. This is the first time that I have been in Walmart since they shut down for the cleaning and restocking. So let's go inside and find out what they've got and what they don't got. Up until about 6 months ago, behind this barrier was a McDonald's and that is gone now. They had plenty of water stacked up front. This is a good idea because the biggest hurricanes come to Florida in September and October. The medication aisle was fairly well stocked. I was pretty surprised. There were some gaps in the Slim Fast and some of the stomach medicines, but pretty well stocked overall. The next section was the protein powders and the Band-Aids. Everything looked pretty good. And the thing I was going in for was Epsom salts. This is the first time I had seen Epsom salts in weeks. The vitamins had a few gaps, but overall very well stocked for what I see. And I've seen a lot of Walmarts on the internet where they're pretty bare. So this was great to see this all stocked up like that. The Boost and Ensure section, pretty empty. Next up was the lotions and face potions. They were really well stocked in that area. Kitty litter and kitty food. The kitty food, they had bags of cat food. The litter was lower than what I had expected. There is a nationwide shortage on kitty litter. I have no idea why. So they were pretty low on all their different kinds of litter. The sheet section must have gotten a restock since last time I was there because I was surprised. Look at how many sheets they had. It was awesome. Canning aisle, of course, sad and pitiful. They didn't really have any selection. The shoe section was shocking to me. They had almost no shoes. These are the little kids' shoes, and up next is more little kids' shoes, and they hardly had any, which was really a surprise. The older children's shoes actually was quite empty, and the men's slippers and shoes, work boots, was a really low selection. Nabisco has been on strike, so I was really happy to see all those Oreos, including the gluten-free ones. The drink mixes and canned fruit aisle looked actually really well stocked, and they had juice, lots of it. I've seen other Walmarts where they have almost no juice. Of course, there's no Gatorade because, again, nationwide shortage on Gatorade. The meat section, not so great. They had almost no poultry, no chicken, and a very low supply on the other meats, but the deli meats and cheeses were fairly well stocked. This is the grab-and-go soup ravioli aisle. And the canned meats had a few holes, but not too much. Next up is the canned vegetables. A few gaps here and there, but overall really well stocked. I was actually very surprised. Look at all of those soups. Soup and easy to prepare items always go first during hurricane season. So this is great. Notice that the drink mixes, chocolate milk, and also the jelly was super low, but it is back to school time, so I can see where parents would be grabbing more of those items. To me, the coffee aisle looked well stocked. They had a few gaps here and there, but that's kind of to be expected with what all is going on in the world right now. The tea looked really well stocked as well, but the sweet tea, if you notice, like this is the South and we have to have our sweet tea, and that had more gaps than I thought they would. Seafood, they had a nice cooler of seafood. Here and there weren't things, but if you wanted the basics, they did have it. Here's an overview of my Walmart haul. I got 12 of these cans of diced rutabagas. I did not clear the shelf. They had lots of these and we enjoyed them. This will give us some variety so that we don't get food fatigue if we end up eating just out of our pantry. I got 4 bags of Epsom salts. So glad that these were back in stock. I've been looking for weeks for these and they finally got them back in. I got a mint body wash, a lavender body wash, and a shea butter and vanilla body wash. This smells really good. I can't wait to try it. And some acne stuff for my face. Mr. Biggs requested some Snickers for his next bag of candy. I got the Hershey's Nuggets and the York Peppermint Patties because y'all know if you watched my pantry video, I am not going without chocolate, period, the end. These little guys, I got some more of these for Mr. Biggs and some of these for me. They don't expire until 2023, which I don't even think that they would expire in 2023. These were, I think they were 84 cents each, under $1, which I thought was a great deal. These are perfect for my get home bag. They had more than two, but I got 2 double stuffed Oreos, 2 Idaho mashed potatoes, family size, because we used 2 of these out of my stash, so I needed to replace it. A 6-pack of these little OJs. This is great. They're shelf stable. They're perfect if you want to make a little salad dressing, and Mr. Biggs likes to take these sometimes if he has to go to work super early. Look what I found. They had cooked ham. I've been looking for this forever. I was super excited to get 4. Linda at Linda's Pantry had some, and I was so excited to find these. And last but not least, I got some seasoned Italian green beans. Yep, we really like these. They're so yummy, and I didn't have a reaction to these, so if you are gluten-free like me, give them a try cautiously and see if you react to them, but I didn't, so super excited about that. There we have it. Oh, I did get this today in my Amazon order. It's some lemon balm tea, because I only have 2 boxes in the prepper pantry, and I want to make sure that I have enough on the shelf. So 2 boxes of that. There is my overview. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you got something out of the video. I really regret that I didn't get over to the toilet paper and also the milk section. Next time I go in, I'll make sure to look at that. If you're not stocking up, now would be a good time to do it. I think that it's prudent that, I mean, you don't have to go crazy and make a prepper pantry like I have, but if you have items that you like and you see them, pick up an extra one and just tuck it away. Thank you again, everybody, and remember, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye.